Hi, in this video, I'll guide you through how to assign a domain to your Wix site. Quick note before we start. To assign a domain, you'll need a premium or studio plan. If you haven't upgraded yet, click the on-screen link or the one in the video description. Okay, let's dive in. Start by going to Domains in your Wix account. For quick access to the Domains page, click the link on screen or the one in the video description. Once you've reached the Domains page, click the Domain Actions icon next to the domain you want to assign. Then, select Assign to a site if your domain isn't assigned yet, or Assign to a different site if it's already assigned. For this example, I'm going to assign my unassigned domain to the same site as my existing domain. Now select the site you want to assign the domain to and click Next. Now here's where you might see an additional step if the site you're connecting already has a primary domain. You'll need to choose one of two options. Redirect it to the primary domain. If you select this, your new domain will act as a redirect. This means that when someone types in the new domain, they'll be automatically redirected to your current primary domain. This is great if you want to maintain a single, consistent web address for your visitors while keeping multiple domains connected. Replace the current primary domain. If you choose this option, the new domain will take over as your primary domain. Your current primary domain will then be disconnected, but it won't be deleted. You can always reassign it to another site or use it elsewhere later on. Now, pick the option that suits you best and click Assign. And that's it. You now know how to assign a domain to a site. All links and resources mentioned are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and check out our other tutorials in our Help Center and YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.